Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great and taking good care of yourselves. Today in this video I'm going to do an unboxing of the JBL Tuner FM Bluetooth speaker, portable Bluetooth speaker that is. So before I go ahead and explain further, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed yet, and if you already have, please hit the bell icon. So this Bluetooth speaker is by JBL, and there are these certain specifications that are mentioned on the box over here. It has 8 hours of playtime, backlit LCD display, something of this sort. I believe there is a display on the speaker wherein you can see what's happening or what mode you are using, and it says 5 direct preset buttons. Now I will go ahead and open this box so that we can see what is there inside. Pretty decent packaging. There I believe is the speaker in this. I'm going to keep it on the side. There is this charging cable, which is a pretty nice orange color, reminds me of the OnePlus colors that they use. In this box over here we have the charger, and I believe this is the extension. So this, and then you need to connect your wire, and I believe this is from where you would be able to charge. So I'm going to keep this box, and there is this manual that you find, that you get over here. I believe there are some warranty cards and instructions. Let me just quickly keep this on the side and open up the speaker to see what is there inside. Here you go. So this is what the speaker looks like. It has these buttons on top. It says FM, scan, tune, Bluetooth. The volume controls are there, 1 2 3 4 5. I believe 1 2 3 4 5 are the channels that you can save in the radio. There is an aerial over here, which I believe extends from here. Oh yeah, okay, that's it, kind of extends from here. So, and there on the side we have the power button, and there is these pads, I believe, wherein you can put the speaker on. There is the logo. Here we have the JBL branding. That is the port from where you can use the charger to charge the speaker, and there is your 3.5 mm jack for your aux. So I'm going to go ahead and switch this thing on and see. Okay, you press this thing on and it comes on from here. It says battery 60%. So this is your FM button over here. This is your scan button, wherein if you hit scan, I think it will start scanning the channels. Yeah, there you see, there, if you can see, it is scanning the channels over there. Yeah, and I believe if you want to save this channel, you will need to probably keep one of the buttons pressed. Now if I want to save it on the number 1 channel, I need to, now since it's playing, I don't know if you can hear it. One second, let me do it. Yeah, so there is where it's playing, and if I want to save this channel, I'm going to press this button and keep it pressed, and it says P1 saved. So that's how probably you can save your channels. Now if I scan again, it's going to go and stop on the next available channel. So that's how I believe you set the channels in here. So it's still scanning. Okay, so they found one more channel. As you can hear, there's one more channel that they found. So if I want to set this channel again, I'll now save it on the second provided preset over here. So I'm going to press this thing over here, and it says P2 saved. So next time if I want to play these saved channels, I'll just be hitting 1 2 3 4. That's how you'd be saving the remaining, and I just need to keep pressing 1 2 3 4, and it gets saved. So I believe this is what it meant when it said 5 direct preset buttons. So these are the buttons over here. So this is how the FM would function. The output is quite decent and loud. I am a
101.1 FM.
So as you can see, the sound is quite powerful. The bass is quite decent. The mids are decent. The treble, I would say, is less, but definitely for a size like this, I think it is very much acceptable. It does sound quite powerful. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and connect the Bluetooth and see how this thing functions. To connect the Bluetooth, one needs to go ahead and switch on the Bluetooth on the phone. Press this button. Okay, see there, you press the button and it says Bluetooth pairing. Now you need to go to your device. You need to go to your device and probably wait for it to finish the search. So let's just check. It's refreshing over here. And it says pairing over here. So I believe till the time it searches on your phone and after it finds it is when it will connect. So yeah, there you see, there you find the JBL Tuner FM. I'm going to go ahead and say pair, and it says pairing, and yeah, you get a sound over here, and yeah, it says connected. Now I'm going to quickly go ahead and play something just to see the sound. So I've connected it. Now let me see what the sound is. Yeah, there you can see.
सुनिए गुलजार की नज्म कारवां 2.0 पर।
दिन भी यहाँ तो लगे बरस के समान, हमें इंतजार कितना ये हम
What? Sorry, just quickly. What if it's da 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 da?
So as you can see, even with the Bluetooth, the audio and the sound is quite decent. Definitely the sharpness is a little low, but the bass is pretty decent. And as I said, for the size that it is, I think it's pretty decent. Now the only thing remaining, the aux. I will just go ahead and test the aux and see what kind of an output we get. For an aux connection, you'll probably need to just get one of these headphone jacks or these jacks or something of this sort. And you need to connect one end into your speaker. As you can see, the aux mode is connected now. Now what you need to do is just go ahead and plug this thing into probably your mobile or the device that you want to use this thing with, and try and just play something off from there. So I believe that is what the case is with these new players. I think so. Probably the aux volume tends to be a little bit lower. So yes, that is pretty much it for the JBL FM tuner. This is what my review was of the JBL Tuner FM. Seems to be a pretty decent product for the size it is in. The only concern that I felt was the connection from the aux, but otherwise it seems like a pretty good deal. If you liked the video, please do hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much and take care.